Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about geometry construction of higher math, which is chapter number 4. In this chapter, there are construction of two types. One of them is regarding the circles. So in this term, the constructions that are included in your syllabus are the construction regarding the circles. So today we will be discussing about that. So the first construction that you have in your textbook is construction number 5. And the question goes like this. Draw such a circle which passes through two definite points and whose center lies on a definite straight line. Now we will see how to do that. Okay, so first thing, what you need to do is draw a line, any random line you can do. You can draw. It's up to you. Then you have to put 2 points and try to put the points close to each other and also close to the straight line. Okay, let us say I just put 1 point here and the point here. Okay, not too far. Okay, the actually you can still draw the circle if even if you put it far, but the problem is the circle might uh, be big enough that it is not fitting in your paper anymore. Okay, so try to take it close so that you fit the circle in your paper that you are drawing. Okay. So the question says that the circle has to pass through these 2 points and the center of it has to lie on this straight line. So let us see how to do that. First thing, we have to join these 2 points. Join. And then we have to draw perpendicular bisector of it. We know how to draw perpendicular bisector, right? We will take the compass, take a measurement that is more than half of this line. Okay, we are trying to bisect this line, so you have to take a radius to draw the arc which is more than half of the line. Okay, so once you have taken, just lock it, then draw the arc. One arc above the line, another arc you have to draw below the line. You can see we have drawn 2 arcs. Now we will keep the measurement same. Okay, and then we will draw another 2 arcs from this point, from the other point. Okay, so we will draw one arc here and then we will draw another arc here. So we will be getting two intersecting points, right? We'll be getting two intersecting points. We have to join those two intersecting. So if you join them and extend a little, let me join it correctly. Okay. So if you join the line, join the points and draw the line, then you will see that the previously drawn line has intersected with the current bisector. Okay, so the intersecting point of the bisector is going to be the center of our circle. Okay, so if to draw a circle, you need to know where the center is, which we already found out, and you need to know what should be the radius. The radius should be the distance from this center point to this any of the 2 points. Okay, so that means we will put our compass at the center point now. Yes, this is the center point, and the radius you have to take equal to either to this point, or you can take on the take the distance of other point also, no problem. So once you have taken, lock it, and then just draw the circle. Okay, just draw the completed. So that is our desired circle. You can see that we have fulfilled the condition. We said that the center has to lie on the given straight line, and we can see that yes, the center is on the straight line and the circle has to pass through those 2 points that we took previously. So it also satisfies that condition. I hope it is clear. By the end of the video, I will give you the steps of drawing this one that you can write it in the exam. Okay, I hope you understood. If there is any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section. Assalamu alaikum.